back here at Sarah's for some helpful household hints and hacks. I think I got it all in that time.
I hope so.
We were cleaning the bathroom. We did a little two-part series. We did the toilet last show.
Correct.
Now we're going to talk about the bathtub.
Yeah, bathtub.
Which in the summertime, people go outside barefoot. People are doing yard work. You get in the bathtub, you get that stuff off, and all that stuff kind of collects in the tub, in the basin, correct?
How often?
Yeah, all the time.
All the time.
Right.
I scrub how often? Scrub it up, Sarah.
Yeah.
All the time.
When you have
Mom
kids
scrubs
especially.
It probably, I scrub it every other day.
Okay.
Oh. But magic erasers really help. This is, thank goodness it's clean. But I just used one and done kind of thing. Took me about 2 minutes.
Yeah.
It'll take you about 2 minutes.
We sprayed it first
Correct.
with
Or
the sanitizer, right? Or you could use this stuff.
or you can use this stuff. It is, I gave it to you for what? It
was great.
Laundry.
Yeah.
But it also has like stuff in it, but scrub it down.
So that's like an
with the magic
OxyClean
eraser.
type stuff?
But it's for, yeah, this is a multi-purpose.
Okay.
Because I made it multi-purpose.
Right.
To scrub your tub too. Scrub it down. It's like an Ajax kind of product.
Mm-hmm.
But don't mix this with bleach. Like I was telling you, bleach, watch your labels. Don't mix bleach and alcohol especially.
Right.
Whew. It makes a bigger mess than your toilet, but
Two questions. A, some people have like a plastic tub now. Some people still have the old ceramic. Does
Yeah.
that matter on what you use to clean it?
it does. Read your labels. Test a little tiny bit, like on the side, to see if it like with anything. Test a little bit before. Scrub it, rinse it. Usually these are good. The more a grease, elbow grease, the better usually. But with the surround tubs, the less, the better.
Okay, second question. Tell me about shower curtains.
Shower curtains are loaded. I need to go buy one to change it because we just had this debate.
Get the cheap ones and just change them out, right?
Dollar store. They're usually $2.99. I gift them to clients. If
Okay.
you want one, I might have one.
I know, we're good.
No.
We're good.
Anyways,
But they collect what?
oh, mold, everything.
You can't help
shower
it.
once a day, right? I
Right.
hope you do.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't
Sometimes
help it.
twice in the summertime.
I do too. But yeah, hot as well. Shower curtain, change it because it collects mold, dust, or not dust, things you don't think of. But dust does collect on the fabric part.
Okay.
You can wash that in the washer.
Okay.
Quick, easy, painless, all that good stuff.
Is there a reason that the mold collects? Am I doing something wrong in my house, or just is that just how it works?
You're doing nothing
Okay.
wrong, but you're doing nothing wrong. You can take a product that has alcohol or something like an in-between daily spray, spray your shower curtain down, or even the glass part. But again, let it sit. It says every day. Every time you shower, you can, but it's nothing you do wrong.
Right.
Just
Life.
clean.
Just life in
Life.
Ohio and Western Pennsylvania. That's right.
Amen.
All right, let's give them the phone number for the business in case people want to get a hold of you and your team and get them out to clean your
Hashtag
bathtubs. and
awesome
shit.
team.
That's right.
Because in the heart of it all,
Uh-huh.
I have to go and service 234-600-7251, Western Pennsylvania, PA.
And look on
Ohio.
Facebook for Sarah's Cleaning Yo.
Or
it
Instagram,
just pops right up.
Sarah's Cleaning Yo, or Sarah's Helpful Hints and Hacks.
As of today, how big's your team?
Only one.
Only one.
I know.
We need more.
Amen. We
See?
do need more, but yeah, I'm out of commission.
All right.
But
They're working hard.
they are working hard. Not hardly working like I am, but medical stuff,
Yeah.
I'm on hiatus.
That's how it works. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Get in
Thank
there
you,
and
my case.
Clean
Don't
those
forget your
bathrooms.
case.
Not on Sunday, but clean your bathroom some other day.
Amen.